We are at Hluhluwe River Lodge and it is absolutely beautiful. We arrived here a couple of hours ago. We had a long day. We drove from Nabela to here. It's not far, but we took a stop. We went birding in the False Bay Park, which was very beautiful, and despite it being midday, we actually saw a lot of birds. This lodge is really beautiful. When we got here, there was trumpeter hornbills in this tree behind me, which is not something that you see every day. So a very warm welcome. We are the only guests here tonight. So the big day that we're looking forward to is tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to a place where we can potentially spot all the birds on our list that we came here to see. So for Alana it's the African broadbill, the thick-billed roller. For me it's the green and pink-throated twin spot, and this location even has a chance for us to see the Pals fishing owls. So if you haven't guessed it as yet, tomorrow we are going to Mkuze Game Reserve. This reserve is 40,000 square kilometers. The park has 79 species of mammal and over 420 bird species. And we are in. First impression, amazing. It's quite a drive to get to the gate. We had to drive through a lot of villages, but once you reach it, it's amazing. It's very beautiful. It's a whole different type of bush than Hluhluwe in Mfolozi where we were a couple of days ago. And it is like 6 AM, so it's the perfect time to bird. So let's get some lifers. Our first stop for today was at KwaMalibala Bird Hide. Some of these hides are quite the distance from the parking spot. In this case we had to walk around 200 meters to get to the hide, but I take it just adds to the experience. I was very impressed, and these hides are very well built. They also have these holes in the floor where you can see the fish and the terrapin in the waters below you. What an amazing 2 hours we've spent here in Mkuze Park. The birding has been exceptional in the first 2 hours. I haven't seen any big game yet because this reserve does have the big five and wild dogs and cheetahs. I haven't seen any of them, but the birding has been out of this world and it is so pretty here. We said that we've got 2 days left at the end of our trip where we maybe want to come back and do something that we really liked. We are definitely coming back to Mkuze. So we came to Kumasinga Hide here in the sand forest area of Mkuze. The reason we came here is because we read that this is the best location to see the pink-throated twin spot. And when we got out of the car, not even 1 meter from the car, we already saw 2 of them. So one of my birds checked, so happy. Oh, sorry. Have you seen anything interesting?
To your after.
Is there hyenas or anything there? Yeah, the birding is... We passed by this friendly oom that told us about a dead giraffe a couple of kilometers from where we were. So we slowly made our way there to see if we can maybe get some action. So we got to the dead giraffe and stayed there for about 10 minutes, but there was no action, so we made our way to the picnic spot. I've been to many picnic spots in my life, but these are one of the ones that stand out. It's right next to the pan and there's so much wildlife activity here. The reserve is also very quiet today. We've probably passed maybe 5 other people in the whole reserve since this morning. Alana and I, we really wanted to book the fig tree forest walk, but there's only one guide that does it. And that one guide is on leave from the 2nd to the 10th of November, which is coincidentally the day we arrived here and the day that we are leaving. So we missed it now. We wanted to do it, of course, because of the Pels fishing owl, but we are here, so we'll still have a look around. Not even a little bit of luck. With a lot of luck, we might just have a glimpse of it.
So we really have to give a shout out to the staff at Hluhluwe River Lodge because they gave us the most amazing picnic basket this morning to take with us to Mkuze. They prepared it at 4 a.m. or before 4 a.m. this morning. We left at 4 a.m. Even complete with a tablecloth. And then we have some breakfast burritos, cereal, muesli, yogurts to accompany the muesli, milk for the cereal, coffee and tea. We have fruit and water, juice, and also some chocolates. Thank you so much to the ladies at Hluhluwe River Lodge. We really appreciate it.
Then of course it started raining, but we weren't bothered because we were really enjoying this park. Mkuze for 9 hours, and it's a bit. Yeah.
I just want to say that really doesn't feel like 9 hours. It feels like maybe half that. No, even less.
Yeah, but the scenery consistently changes. There's a lot of different ecosystems.
I don't see any matching places. Sorry about that.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ecosystems joining in this park. The one thing that I can say, and it might sound bad, because we're doing a last little loop now and then we're leaving, because I mean it started raining like an hour or two ago. It's on and off, and
Stop alles, daar's 'n eil in die boom. Reverse. Oh, groot bruin eil.
ons is nou terug. My wife is worldly renowned for spotting owls, but in this case it was a juvenile battalier. Not to mean it in a bad way, but we've been in a lot of big 5 areas. I mean, some areas in Zimbabwe, Chobe and Botswana, the Kruger many times. We were in Marakele earlier this year, but I've never been in a big 5 reserve for a whole day and didn't see any of the big 5. But at the same time, through all those places that I've mentioned, this has been the best day of birding that I have ever had in any game reserve. The birding, and I know I've said it a couple of times, but it is magnificent. The whole day we have been busy with bird. I think we might have driven past lions or rhinos, or any of the big 5, because we're just looking up at the trees the whole day, because the trees are full of birds throughout the whole day. So yeah, we've probably got like a half an hour left. Maybe we see something, but nonetheless, very happy with Mkuze. We're already talking about planning a trip here. It's not the biggest reserve, so I think if you come here, maybe stay here for 2, maximum 3 nights. It'll be enough, because we did basically drive every single road in this reserve today.
And it's not even 2 o'clock.
Yeah, it's not even 2, but we came in at 5:30, so yeah, we've spent the fair share of time here. It really is a very, I would use the word cozy park. If you're a person that loves birds, I would recommend this. Now, so let's do this last trip. If we don't find anything interesting, we will see you back at the lodge. Of course, being the tryhards we are, we did run in the rain to a last bird hide to see if we can spot that big sighting. But luck was not on our side today. The best compliment I can give Mkuze is that they have the best bird hides. They are all very big and extremely beautiful. Joy's bio.
Beep beep.
Beep beep beep. Beep beep. Eventually the rain has stopped. We're back at Hluhluwe River Lodge. We are filling the bath, the outside bath.
Hallo Janet. Hallo, ek het niks vir jou nie, ekskuusie.
We just left Hluhluwe River Lodge. We had an awesome 2-day stay here. The food was amazing, the accommodation was beautiful. The bath that opens up onto the patio was amazing. Like, I've never been so clean. Like, we bathed so many times because it's just so beautiful, especially yesterday when it was raining. It's so comforting sitting with a beer in the bath, with the birds outside. It's raining. Yeah, it was so tranquil, but amazing stay. The staff are very friendly as well, so it's also a very affordable accommodation. Now we're off to St. Lucia. Today we're going to do the western shore of Isimangaliso Wetland Park at St. Lucia, and then tomorrow we're going to do the eastern shore. So Again, I'm so excited because it's going to be a whole new habitat that we're entering. The past 4 or 5 days has been amazing, but each place that we stay is way different. So really looking forward to the actual wetlands, and yeah, let's go see how it is.
6 handlangers wat hulle het hier by Hluhluwe River Lodge. Daai boutjies.